You're right, you're welcome.
Attention, make sure you stay seated with your seatbelt buckled. Now roll out and enjoy a relaxing drive through beautiful Ornament Valley. Slow down. You're not racing yet. Just follow me or you sound like you Ranger, oh, Sheriff. Howdy. Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun. Hey, you ever gone tractor tipping? Gee, you sneak up on them and honk. Ready? Turn it back. Oh! Probably just a bad spark plug to me.
Welcome to race day
in Radiator Springs.
Not only need to be fast,
You need to look fast.
Now,
Ramone! Hola! Ramone will pick you up, right? Looking good. All right. Good luck, man.
come on in, rookie.
Shiny, please don't quit racing.
Now get out there and enjoy.
Glorious, the race of your life. Who's the one to look at? Do it on the show. Try together, right? And come on.
Dig into that bird. Now power through those hills. Driving with a hook and stick. You're going great, kid. You're going great. You won. Looks like Radiator Springs has a new champ. Congratulations.
You were amazing! You beat McQueen! I wasn't racing. Well, you can't win if you don't race. Right, Peter. And you sure was fast. Got great racing. Racing? I'm talking about tractor tipping.
stops, please exit to your left. Remember, take all your personal belongings. And as long as you're in my town, please stay out of trouble.
Turn around the walk the stairs. Have a good one. Come on in, guys. Come on in.